In modern industry and electrical systems, every stable connection depends on reliable wiring solutions. This is the manufacturing base of CHS, a specialist in wiring accessories. Changhong Plastics Group, Imperial Plastics Company, Limited. With over 37 years of experience in wiring accessories manufacturing, with over 130,000 square meters of production facilities, CHS products are exported worldwide. Our philosophy: survive by quality, develop by credibility. From raw materials to finished products, every step is strictly controlled. Automated production equipment ensures stable capacity and consistent quality. High-precision molds and mature manufacturing processes ensure long-lasting performance. Here, every cable, tie, and connector is produced under strict standards. CHS products are widely used in power systems, electronics, construction, and industrial manufacturing, providing reliable, safe, and efficient wiring solutions for customers worldwide. Strict quality control ensures every product meets international standards. Multiple international certifications provide assurance for customers worldwide. CHS, making every connection reliable, providing trusted wiring solutions for the world.